This is the ROGBID MAGIC women's watch, also known as the KW10 PRO. You got settings, do not disturb, and you can change your brightness all across the spectrum right there. You also have an app drawer full of a bunch of different apps. You have your step count information, distance traveled, calories burned. You can do instant heart rate reading. As soon as you land on this page, it'll start doing it. With the green diodes in the back, and you can get a quick overview of last night's sleep time. Just the summary in the app, you get all of the details. When you swipe the other direction, you get information pushed to you from the phone when you're tethered to the phone app. I like this purple on gold. That's pretty attractive. When you come up again, there's the app drawer where you have step count, heart rate. You also have blood pressure that you can do and blood oxygen that's using the red diode technology, which is more accurate. You have notifications, a few different exercises, no GPS in this device, but you have all of these different things that you can be doing if you want to. You have last night's sleep time, find your phone, the QR code to download the app. You've got a music player built in this one, a quick timer, and of course settings all over again. So relatively simple outline of things that you've got on this watch. You have a really nice selection of watch faces. I like this one. It's a nice gold analog watch. It's coming with one of these really sweet metal bands. You can adjust the clasp on it. Silver on the back, gold on the front. Ladies' watch. Again, it's the ROGBID MAGIC women's watch. Check it out.